This is Brittany with WTI. Let me share with you why this probiotic is what your gut and what you have been needing in life. These Physician's Choice 60 billion probiotic, this was exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something that had enough strains and enough CFUs to do what I needed. This is it has 10 strains. First of all, it has 10 strains plus 60 billion CFUs, which is very difficult to find. It's professional grade quality, and it is so good for your overall digestive health, immune support, all of those. I take this once a day, every morning, and it really does help with my entire well-being and especially my gut health. And that's my point of view.